So good day guys, our topic for today is all about the negative or diverging lens. The negative or diverging lens is the biconcave or plano-concave culminated beam of light passing through the lens is diverged or spread. The lens is thus called a negative or diverging lens. Now, these are the example. First is the converging lens or positive lens. When you see the picture, the focus of the light of this converging lens is one part only, while this diverging lens focus of this light are spread. Now, the best example of this converging lens is the magnifying glass. When you see a magnifying glass focusing, when you face the focus of magnifying glass to the sun, the magnifying glass create a fire. While this diverging lens is the best example of this diverging lens is the flashlight, because flashlight, while you on the flashlight, the light of flashlight is spread but it the same wide. Next, the beam after passing through the lens appears to be emanating from particular point on the axis in front of the lens. The distance from this point to the lens is also known as the focal length, although it is negative with respect to the focal length of converging lens. This lens is always thinner at the center and thicker at the outside. Now, when we see the example picture of this concave lens, the center is thinner than the side. Light passing through it's bended away from each other as if coming from a point. Now, the example of when you see that picture, just like a flashlight, because though they separate way, they rather though they bended away, but at the same point at the center. Now last, it produces a virtual image on the same side of the lens or where light is coming from. Yes, when you see that picture, that was the example of this diverging lens. Thank you.